हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल डॉक्टर ट्रेंड। आई एम डॉक्टर जी। सो इस वीडियो में मैं बात करूंगा मेटावर्स, गेमिंग, डीएफआई, एनएफटीज, जो एज एवरीवन नो कि कितनी बड़ी हाइप है और इवन जब मार्केट डंप हो रही है दे आर स्टिल ग्रोइंग अप। सो आई बिलीव मंकी बॉल इज़ वन ऑफ द गेम। टू बी ऑनेस्ट, आई थिंक एक ही गेम ऐसी होगी प्ले टू अर्न in crypto which I am personally going to play, and I'm super hyped about this game. So basically this video will be in the two parts. First I will tell you what it is monkey ball और इसमें क्या क्या चीज़ें आ रही हैं, and the second video, the part of this video जिसमें मैं बताऊंगा कि आप इसके coins कैसे ले सकते हैं, because these coins has such a immense potential that easily I can assure you they can grow into 1000x. Yes, I'm right, not 50, 100, 1000x. So let's begin into this. So basically, if you go on the official website of Monkey Ball, which is monkeyball.com, beautiful graphics there, really nice graphics. So let the game begin, Monkey Ball. So if before I go into the details, so let's see on the channel they have a Discord channel, you can join them. Telegram already 30,000 subscribers, which is huge. On the Twitter they have almost 73,000 followers और अभी ये game launch नहीं हुई. Okay, going into what the game is, what it will bring actually. So Monkey Ball is the next generation esports metaverse that enables players to create, play, compete and earn. Means एक monkey होगा जिसमें आप you can own that monkey. I will tell you how you can own that monkey actually in a while, and then you will play the game in a stadiums. You can own the stadium, you can be spectators in those, and everything in every way you're the part of the game. You will earn their native token. So Monkey Ball combines high production value multiple play gaming with Solana blockchain, NFTs and decentralized finance to deliver an exciting turn-based play to earn game that easily learned yet hard to master. So Solana based ecosystem, and everyone knows Solana is one of the best platform. NFTs, blockchain or play to earn, all those things are there. So moving on their roadmap, actually on the October they have a monkey bugs, इनका native token है which is known as MBS. Pre-sale इसकी थी which already has finished. November में going recently, I think on the 27th of November they are going to launch their IDO. DEX जो प्लेटफॉर्म होती हैं, जिस तरह पैनकेक स्वैप हो गया या दूसरे हो गए, तो सोलाना बेस्ड है, तो डेफिनेटली यू विल यूज आइदर रेडियम एंड फैंटम वॉलेट. सो इन अनदर वीडियो आई विल मेक एंड आई विल टेल यू हाउ you can purchase this one. So on the IDO you can purchase this one, a very difficult process, but still this has a potential. You are ready to take the pain for this thing. Anyways, in December the NFT drop will be there. So NFT, the first NFT drop will be of the monkey. So you will actually own a monkey. One monkey will cost around 2 Solana. So currently अगर आप देखें तो almost $440 का एक monkey you will get, which is funny, but it is, and trust me, once the monkey will be finished, वो ही 2 Solana के जो एक monkey है, it will go up to maybe 200, maybe 2000, you never know. Anyways, moving on, in December they will have a Pioneers Gear Up campaign. Then in early Q1 of next year, in-game store launch. So basically the game launch will be next first Q1 of the 2022. Then in early, this is really interesting, in early Q1 2022, breeding season. Breeding season means, if I can show you the picture here, so look at this, the breeding actually. So you will own a monkey, जो आपका वो प्लेयर होगा, वो ब्रीडिंग सीजन में जाएंगे, देन दे कैन प्रोड्यूस मोर monkeys. Amazing. एंड उनके एट्रीब्यूट्स होंगे, लाइक इफ़ यू आर इन फीफा, अगर आप लोग फीफा खेलते रहे, आई एम अ ह्यूज फैन ऑफ फीफा, आई वाज प्लेइंग फीफा ऑल ऑफ माय लाइफ, सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम सेइंग यही शायद एक ऐसी गेम होगी जो मैं क्रिप्टो में खेलूंगा, प्ले टू अर्न वाली, विच विल बी दिस. तो उसमें आपके एट्रीब्यूट है 44% एक्यूरेसी, 88% पासिंग, 79% स्ट्रेंथ. सो आई एम नॉट स्टिल श्योर, दे हैवंट डिस्क्राइब कि वो ब्रीडिंग कैसे होगी और ये एट्रीब्यूट्स कैसे डिफाइन होंगे, बट स्टिल it's an amazing thing in which they will go into the breeding season and they will produce more monkeys. Wow. In mid Q1, maybe March, mid Feb, आपका गेम लॉन्च होगा जिसमें P versus E means player versus environment, computerized जो होगी, आप you can start playing there. Then in early Q2 means from April onward, ट्रेजरी लॉन्च होगा, फिर Q2 मिड में गेम लॉन्च है, P वर्सेस P, प्लेयर वर्सेस प्लेयर, मीन्स 2 online players they can play this game. Mid Q2 roughly maybe around May, hopefully, and then mid Q2 stadium land NFT drop, जिसमें सेकंड NFT ड्रॉप्स होंगे और उसमें ये होगा कि आप जो स्टेडियम्स हैं यू कैन परचेज एंड यू कैन ओन दैट स्टेडियम, और उसके बाद मेटावर्स में आपको पता है इफ़ यू ओन अ लैंड यू कैन रेंट इट आउट. सो आपका अगर स्टेडियम होगा, कोई और प्लेयर उसमें आके गेम खेल रहा है, आइदर इट्स प्लेइंग वर्सेस द एनवायरनमेंट और प्लेयर वर्सेस प्लेयर, सो यू विल गेट द 10% profit on the amount of coins they will generated from that particular game. Spectators हैं, they will almost get 15% if you are going to cheer some particular team, और उसके बाद विनिंग टीम को जो है वो तकरीबन मेरा ख्याल है 70-80% उनको मिलेगा, एंड 10% it will go to the person who owns a ground. That's crazy. Okay. इन्हीं की वेबसाइट पे इनके क्विक जो क्वेश्चन आंसर हैं, लेट्स गो थ्रू. हाउ कैन आई पार्टिसिपेट इन द गेम एंड अर्न इनकम? देयर विल बी मल्टीपल वेज फॉर द प्लेयर टू पार्टिसिपेट इन द गेम इकोनॉमी फॉर बोथ एक्टिव एंड पैसिव प्लेयर्स. Active if you are playing, passive if you're just watching. So players can either own monkeys, build a team and win matches, own stadiums and host matches, or be a match spectator and earn by cheering the winning team. That's crazy idea. Even if the people who doesn't know how to play the game या जो game नहीं खेलते, they can still make money from this. Once a match ends, the winning team, stadium owner and the spectators that rooted for the winning team will receive a split the winning of the match, which is already I told 70, 80, 10 and 10-15%. Okay. How do I buy a monkey? You can buy a monkey NFT by participating in the NFT drop happening this December, end of December almost. Specific details coming soon. The sale will include a limited quantity of monkeys at a fixed price of 2 Solana. So currently $440 almost. Yagi, all those things. So how I can buy a stadium NFTs? Same thing in the December. They will give the date and then you can buy a stadium. Okay. Can I improve my monkey skills? That's really important because अगर आप लोग FIFA खेलते रहे हैं तो आपको ये पता है कि they release special cards like a player of the season or the player of the tournament or even the weekly team of the week they release. So same way, each monkey NFT has a unique DNA composed of appearance, trainable abilities and special elements. Monkey are born with an initial and a maximum potential score for each trait. A rare monkey will have a high initial score for any of his trait and a high potential score. So players can customize their monkey with uniform, jewelry, boots and other game assets that serve as the booster to their skill. Meaning when the monkey consume in the game items, they improve their skills. So it's more likely street FIFA. If you are aware of the street FIFA, ये वो concept है जिसमें 5 versus 5 players उसमें खेलेंगे. So where I can learn more about the monkey game system. So of course इसमें ये कि for more information about the game system, the monkey NFTs, the in-game currency MBS and the governance token score, please read the white paper for that thing. So basically इसमें ये होगा, अगर आप लोगों को awareness है Axie Infinity की, तो Axie गेम खेलने के लिए you need a AXE token, but लेकिन उसमें कुछ चीज़ें purchase करने के लिए you need SLP token. So same way for this, you will have MBS to play the games. You will earn MBS token, which is native token of Monkey Ball, but I think you need a score token to participate or initiate a game or anything. अभी तक इन्होंने सही वो properly explain नहीं किया कि how you will need the score, because score coins की अभी तक कहीं पे भी कोई बात नहीं हुई. So what is the Monkey Bucks? Monkey Bucks is actually in-game currency powering the game economy. So more or less it's an amazing project, और इसके the team looks very very fine. इसमें जो कोटी एक coin है उसके भी the people are involved in this thing. So mark your calendar because November 30th we are going to do IDO, means non जो decentralized exchanges हैं उन पे अपना token launch करेंगे on the star launch. Registration begins on the 27th of November. So I'm bringing another video in which I will tell you how can you participate in this, because the initial price will be 0.04 cent and I can guarantee you it will go crazy high. और जिस वजह से बड़ा मुश्किल भी है इसका कॉइन लेना, दे हैव अ वेरी डिफिकल्ट प्रोसेस, बट आई विल ट्राई टू समराइज एंड मेक इट easy for you people. So this is all on the news even. Big community, the people are hyped, the concept is super nice, the graphics are really nice. You own the monkey, you make them better, you breed them, you own a stadium, you play a match, and from every aspect you are making money. Crazy. I personally cannot wait to play this game because I'm a FIFA player. I love FIFA. So I'm super hyped, kicked with this concept. So I hope you like this video and don't sleep on this monkey ball. अगर if you are going to ask me कि कौन सा एक ऐसा coin है या कौन सा एक ऐसा project है in which I am looking into and I can invest blindly and immensely, this will be the one I'm telling you. But again, this is not a financial advice. Do your own research. रिसर्च कैसे करनी है इसमें मेरी एक लास्ट वीडियो है जिसमें आई हैव told you all the things कि जब आप एक रिसर्च कर रहे हो किसी भी कॉइन के बारे में, what aspects you have to focus on. So I hope you like this video. Leave the like button there. सब्सक्रिप्शन पे बेल बटन ऑन कर लें ताकि जब मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियोस की अपलोड करूँ you will get the immediate notification because time is very less. If you see here 30th नवंबर को लॉन्च हो रहा है and registration begins on the 27th. So before the registration there are some things you have to set on. So I hope you like this video. Take care yourself till the next video. Love, peace and care.